Hey, this is Cool Trains in Montreal, and I got a CP train here on O'Connell Street right before I go to the Motor Train Club. I think it's gonna stop. We'll see if it stops. This might be 119, I guess. 7 o'clock, well, 7:15 actually, p.m. on a Tuesday evening. And surprisingly, there's good light here on O'Connell Avenue. So if this goes all the way through, before I go to the club, I'm going to film this train. It's 7:15 p.m. on the 20th of December 2022. Pretty good lighting for just a little area, a little road. Yeah, and it's gonna stop. Hey, these things tend to stay put for a little while, so yeah. So I don't think it's gonna go anytime soon, really. Nah, it's not gonna go right away. So if you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal, and I'll take note of this spot because at night it's not too bad. Have a good night.